Hi all! In this video we'll show now the Xiaomi robot vacuum X20 Plus. Robot cleaner does self-cleaning. You need to go to vacuum cleaner application and enable this function. But I would not say that this is self-cleaning. He just poured water into the station for 3 minutes and that's it. And then handle it yourself. That's why it's funny to call it self-cleaner. So, this is a scam, but what an expensive one. Enjoy waiting.